Okay, let's do a long tail cast on. I need 20 stitches and I want to make sure that I have a nice stretchy cast on. First, I'm not going to use a slip knot, so I'm just going to dive in and twist. 1, 2, 3. Notice I'm putting my finger in between the previous stitch and the new stitch to make sure that it's a nice and stretchy cast on. Oh, let's count how many stitches we have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh. There's no way I'm going to get 20 stitches. Okay, we've got 12 stitches. I'm going to have to start over again, aren't I? Or am I? I could start over again, or I could just take an extra piece of yarn, loosely tie a knot, slip that knot over this end. Again, not tightly because I just want I just want to hold the yarn there for now. And I'm going to keep going. 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And once I have worked a couple of rows, I'm just going to undo that knot, or you can leave it there and then just weave in these extra ends. And you don't need to cast on all those stitches again. In this case, it was only about a dozen stitches. It wouldn't have mattered much. But if I had cast on 500 stitches and was 10 stitches short, I wouldn't want to restart. So this is a great trick if you ever run short on your tail for your long tail cast on. I hope this helped.